guys, I'm Akriti Anand and welcome to वार्तालाप with Akriti। आज हमारा जो एपिसोड है उसमें हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अबाउट द सीक्रेट्स टू हैप्पीनेस। नाउ खुशी क्या होती है? हैप्पीनेस इज समथिंग विच एवरीवन वांट्स, एवरीवन डिजायर, बट how to be happy is a secret and everybody is struggling with this answer। एंड ये बात हमें बहुत ही क्लियरली पता चलती है विद द यूनाइटेड नेशंस रिपोर्ट। हर साल एक रिपोर्ट आती है जिसका नाम है वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट एंड ये कुछ 156 कंट्रीज को हर साल इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हैं और पता लगाते हैं कि उस कंट्री का हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स क्या है। पिछले 5 सालों में हर साल इंडिया का, हमारी कंट्री का हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स गिरता ही जा रहा है। इन 2015 हम थे नंबर 117 पे और ये नंबर गिर के अब आ गया है 140 पे इन द ईयर 2019। आउट ऑफ 156 कंट्रीज इंडिया इज परफॉर्मिंग सो पुअरली इन द हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स। अब इसका रीजन क्या है? वेल, इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम जब कोविड पैंडेमिक चल रहा है इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, यूनाइटेड नेशन ने और WHO ने भी ये कह दिया है, इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे साइकोलॉजिस्ट और बहुत सारे मेंटल हेल्थ स्पेशलिस्ट भी ये कह रहे हैं कि दिस pandemic is actually taking a toll on people's health, people's wellness and specifically their mental health। well, अब जब ये सब चल रहा है तो बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि हम अपनी खुशी अपने खुद के हाथ में ले लें and I was also thinking about that, so that's why on today's episode I have got someone who is an international happiness coach. He is MTV India host, he is also a motivational speaker, a corporate trainer, a very successful MC, and he's a singer. Oh my god, the list goes on and on and on. He has a lot of accomplishments in his cap and recently he's become an international happiness coach। और जब से मैंने ये बात पता की उनके बारे में, तब से I was thinking that maybe I should get him on my show and help all the people who watch वार्तालाप with Akriti to increase their happiness index। So without further ado, let me get VJ Clintz।
What up, Akriti? How you doing?
I'm fine. Woo! How are you?
I'm good. Just want to start the session with a little bit of a banger. Am I a little too away from the screen? Does it look like I'm a bit away from the screen? This is good?
No, you're perfect.
Okay.
Yes,
well,
this is called a happy entry. What a band!
Called the happy entry. Hi, yaar. I'm on Vartalap with Akriti. I want to make sure that it was a kick-ass beginning to our show. What's up, Akriti? How you doing?
I am fine, Clint. How are you doing?
Just give me a second. I just want to make sure that I've got the perfect camera angle.
Yes,
that one was a bit too on the. So welcome to everybody who has joined us. Welcome to Vartalap with Akriti. Kya chal raha hai, Akriti? I've been told you're back at your parents' house.
Yes, I'm back in Jaipur. I'm with my parents. How are you doing in Mumbai? Cases are increasing every day. Are you at home?
यार ये सब तो अभी चलते ही रहेगा।
चलता है।
Now the point is about where do you choose to focus your concentration on? Do you want to focus at the things that are not pleasurable or the ones that give you some sort of satisfaction, or in general, like happiness in general? तो मैंने मेरा focus decide किया है, to choose on to do things that जिसमें दुखी ना feel करूँ मैं।
Clint, you have done so many things in your life. You have achieved like n number of things. You've gone on bigger platforms, and since the time I started posting about this session, I got a lot of questions, but there was one question which I got repeatedly. बार लोग मुझसे एक ही चीज पूछ रहे थे, वो ये थी कि happiness coach होता क्या है? People were not aware of a profession called the happiness coach. तो हमें इसके बारे में बताइए।
So यार happiness coach, so जैसे कि हमारा जिम कोच होता है और अलग अलग तरीके के कोचेस होते हैं, तो हैप्पीनेस कोच एक ऐसा कोच है जो आपको बता सकता है कि कैसे आप सर्टेन चीजें नहीं करते हुए खुश रह सकते हो। जैसे कि when you ask me, मुंबई में केसेस ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, I know cases ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, but if I'm going to focus all my energy and my thoughts on things that are not ideal for my happiness, तो वो मुझे और दुखी feel कराएगा यार. So and hence it starts from home, as they say. You must practice what you know. So वही है. I basically now I'm an internationally certified happiness coach, and I've learned certain tricks tricks of the trade through which you can keep yourself sane. Just want to give a quick shout out to all those people who joined in. A lot of people have fancy things to say about you, sexy body and all. Just to let you, Claire says Sushant is online as well. Quick shout out to Sushant Rivnikar. Niharika Singh, wow, Shilpa Suroj. A lot of homies have joined in. Nidhi Mohan Kamal. Woohoo! So welcome to Vartalap with Akriti featuring Clintz.
Yes.
Chaitanya is in the house as well.
Chaitanya is here. Audrey is here. Everyone is.
Audrey is here too. Audrey, what up? So I was speaking to Audrey a couple of days back. She told me that how do you know Akriti? So just for the ones who've joined in and to let you guys know, I met Akriti back in 2015? 2014 at 14 at IIT Powai, IIT
Yes.
Bombay. And I was performing with my band around that time or something like that. Akriti was collaborating. She was working with Fame, right? And she was there to do some fun box pop stuff. And that's how I bumped into Akriti at the session there. And since then, we've connected with each other online. And I've been following her journey. She has made us all proud with India's Next Top Model and all the modeling assignment and the fun stuff that she does. Of course, we all know that she used to promote a lot of parties in Bombay. So Akriti was the point of contact if people wanted to have a good time in Bombay on Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. That's what it was. Or Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. Basically, whenever if you wanted to party, Akriti, what's up? Party kahan chal raha hai? To let everybody know, Akriti still owes me a Bada Pav treat that since over 4 years now.
Since the first day
So
I
bad,
met you,
so bad.
I owe
6
you a
साल
Bada
लग
Pav
गए
treat.
तुझे.
Clintz,
6 साल लग गए
that
तुझे
year
आके.
also when I met you, I thought that you should be a happiness coach because you came with so much energy and you were all happy and suddenly I had a smile on my face. You always have this energy about you. You're always, always up. How is that possible? कैसे करते हो?
यार मेरे को लगता है I have got this from my parents, man. As we were discussing, I was asking you, Akriti, you look so beautiful and gorgeous. And what's the secret to what's the secret sauce to your beauty? And you said it's your genetics. I feel it's just how it is. Whoever what I am is primarily a lot got to do with my genetics, and who I am has got to do with the choices that I made. So I think, which is again influenced by a lot by my parents. So yeah, I'll shout out to my parents.
Kudos to your parents. I think they have produced a wonderful offspring. बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हो आप, फ्लिंट सबको खुश कर रहे हो. तो खुशी होती क्या है? What is happiness?
So what is happiness? एकदम technical questions से शुरुआत. What is happiness? Happiness is, let's put it in simple ways. Happiness is an emotion triggered by, for us, a lot of us, happiness is basically triggered by external stimulants. Like, for example, I'm happy if I get my hot cup of coffee, or if I get to eat that pizza, or if I get to hang with my friends, or if I listen to that song, or, we all define or attach our happiness to certain things, right? So that's just happiness. It's a temporary emotion. I feel we all give too much importance to the idea of being happy. But I feel this is true, something that I truly believe. मुझे लगता है कि हम सबको इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए towards a lifestyle जिसका after effect or the after product is happiness. The byproduct of a lifestyle of which is happiness. हम सब चाहते हैं कि खुश रहे. That's all. We don't maybe work towards it. हमें सुबह उठना है, खुशी से उठना है और पूरा दिन खुशी चाहिए and so on and so forth. But I think it's more important that we realize that we must choose a lifestyle of which जिसका byproduct is happiness. हमें ऐसी चीजें करने की आदत लगनी चाहिए जिससे हमें खुशी मिले. We shouldn't expect happiness to be stimulated by other things. For example, right? Let's say a warm cup of coffee gives you happiness. But the same thing, जब ठंडा हो जाता है तो तुम्हें दुखी, you become irritated that it's not warm anymore, hot anymore, or whatever. So the same thing that was intended to give you happiness, that same thing can become a thorn on the rose. जैसे कि एक कांटा बन सकता है गुलाब का, But so all of that is basically a choice you make, you know, how you perceive things. So I think that is kind of to answer your question, what is happiness.
आपने बहुत सही बताया क्लिंस कि हैप्पीनेस एक एक्सरसाइज के जैसे है जो हमें रोज करनी चाहिए. इट इज नॉट समथिंग जो बाहर से किसी और चीज के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होके हमें मिलेगी. इट इज, सब लोग कहते हैं कि हैप्पीनेस इज काइंड ऑफ अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. तो फिर
Yeah.
ऐसी कैसी प्रैक्टिसेस हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं रोज? क्या चीज है जो हमें रोज करनी चाहिए जिससे कि हम खुश रहें?
यार तो मैं पिछले थोड़े दिनों से ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं उठने के 1 घंटे में 5 चीजें करता हूँ जो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्टिव चीजें की है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं मेरा बेड बनाता हूँ, आई हैव सम प्लांट्स, तो मैं प्लांट्स को, पौधों को थोड़ा पानी डालता हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स यू नो द डेली अर्ली मॉर्निंग रूटीन ऑफ हाइजीन, सो यू नो आई ब्रश माई टीथ, टेक अ शावर, डू माई थिंग्स. आई मेक अ डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक फॉर माई सेल्फ, तो थोड़ा हल्दी, काला मिर्ची पाउडर, शहद, नींबू या एप्पल साइडर विनेगर सब मिला के मैं एक कॉन्कॉक्शन बनाता हूँ, तो मैं वो पीता हूँ. आई फिल माई बॉटल्स ऑफ वाटर, सो आई हैव लाइक 5 to 6 liters of bottles of water in the house. मैं सुबह ही भर के रख देता हूँ ताकि the objective is so that I can, so I set my objectives for the day. The whole idea is waking up, setting certain practices जो तुम्हें एक goal देता है दिन के लिए, other than the things that you're supposed to do. The smaller achievements in life, right? Like आप उठते हो और तुम्हारा bed set कर लिया within a few minutes. You feel good. You feel that you've done something productive to start the day versus तुम उठते हो and then you're like आधे आंखों से मतलब क्या चल रहा है भैया, इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या चल रहा है, किसने किसको क्या खाया है, क्या पिया है, यू नो, so on and so forth. So I think it's about setting certain practices. As you said, it's an exercise, right? You need to exercise to stay physically fit. You need to exercise to stay emotionally fit, and consistency is a very important factor of it. तुमने एक दिन एक्सरसाइज किया, एक हफ्ता फिर छुट्टी ले लिया, फिर वापस आ गए, you might not be as fit as having done like 5 days a week of training, right? So it's the same with emotional or mental exercise. For me, I feel it's a 7 days training. It's not a 5 days a week. 2 दिन छुट्टी नहीं ले सकते. You have to keep going. You have to keep going. But yeah, I mean, it's just about that. And I think we were discussing a lot of pointers also otherwise, which I think over the period of time, over the course of conversation. Shamoli Kira is in the house. Shout out to Shamoli. Hey, you know what? After I want to just quickly do a comment pinning so that people who are joining in, they know what we're doing. Vartalap with Akriti featuring. You have it there. In the meanwhile, shout out to all my homies who have joined in. So, the secret to happiness with PJ Clintz. Shukriya. No. Hi, Shamoli. Shamoli is joining us from Dubai, from the United Arab Emirates. Emirates. That's the Mallu with me. Sorry. So, hi, Khyati. What up? What up? A lot of.
Saurabh is here.
Do you know Khyati as well?
A lot of people are joining us. Yes, I know Khyati. We were
क्या बात है
playing.
यार?
We were playing cricket together. Entertainment Premier League. And
क्या
we missed.
बात है, क्या बात है, शुक्रिया. नो वंडर नो बॉल पे छक्का मारने का आदत तुम्हारी पहले से ही है. We have homies joining us from.
मैं छक्के नहीं मारती, मैं छक्के रुकवाती हूँ.
So sweet. Thanks, Shamoli. Thanks, Khyati. Thanks to Maki Chivis. He's a good friend. And all of you guys who joined in. इंदौर से मुलचंदानी मेघा ज्वाइन करी है हमारे साथ. निहारिका सिंह says, "Apu, you're my happiness." Oh, so sweet.
Big hearts to you. So guys, आपने
Perfect.
बताया कि आपकी happiness practices हैं that you do every day. आप you do 5 things every day in the morning. पर जो लोग देख रहे हैं, अगर हम उन्हें बताएं कि you know, hi, can you hear me?
My bad. क्या
No problem.
मेरा ना मैंने सब्जी ऑर्डर किया था जोमेटो पे, अब आ रहा है वो. I just got a call from Zomato. I'm sorry about that. I should have put it on. It's okay. Let's get it. Yeah. Sorry, you were saying?
मैं ये बोल रही थी कि क्लिंस, आपने अभी तक अपनी हैबिट्स बताई कि आप ये 5 चीजें करते हैं एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग सो दैट यू रिमेन हैप्पी. बट फॉर द व्यूअर्स हु आर वाचिंग, अगर हम उन्हें बताएं कि यू नो दीस आर द 2 things, 3 things, 5 things दैट वी कैन प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग जिससे हमारी हैप्पीनेस की आदत बन सकती है, सो व्हाट कैन बी दोस थिंग्स?
So यार, Akriti, I want to slightly rephrase.
Because I'm happy. I'm so sorry guys, there's a technical issue, a little bit of buffering, but I think Clintz will be back. And thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. You guys are so cute. Thank you, Khyati. You're lovely. Thanks, Saurabh. And all the lovely people who are commenting some wonderful stuff. Guys, if you want to ask something, you can definitely ask that question down. Cleanse your back.
I'm sorry, I had to put my phone on airplane mode because I was getting calls, so I thought, let's not get disturbed. So coming back to your question, आपने मुझसे पूछा कि लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए जिनसे वो खुश रह सकते हैं. I feel खुशी ना बहुत subjective चीज है, but I think there are certain formulas that you can apply which can maybe help you stay more towards the happiness zone, right? I just want to rephrase what you said कि मैं सुबह उठ के चीजें करता हूँ जिससे जो मुझे खुशी देती है. As I said, it's important to understand that choose a lifestyle जिसका byproduct happiness है, जिसका consequence happiness है. Not the happiness is not a destination, it's a process, right? Happiness हमें लगता है कि कुछ करने से खुशी मिलेगी, कुछ करने से हमें empowerment feel होती है. That empowering feeling makes you feel happy. It's not that by doing my bed I feel happy or watering the plants I feel happy. It's a consequence of what I do. It's the ability where I feel कि यार yes, I can do these things, I can be productive. Staying productive makes you feel empowered, right? जब हम सुबह उठ के या फिर एक दिन में अगर हमने X amount of चीजें करे हैं, so you feel satisfied कि यार wow, मैंने आज के दिन मैंने इतना चीज किया. वो satisfaction तुम्हें happiness देता है. ऐसे नहीं कि ये एक एक चीज करने की वजह से immediate happiness मिलता है. That is also true, but I'm saying choose a lifestyle. ऐसी चीजें करो. मैंने realize किया कि for me it's important that I do 5 things once I wake up in the first hour of my waking. तो ये मेरा करने का एक तरीका है. Everybody can choose their own things. Basically the whole idea is stay productive. You know, do things that will make you feel satisfied, right? देखो satisfaction अलग होता है और pleasure अलग होता है. Like watching porn is pleasure, it's not satisfaction. Maybe the release is satisfaction, right? I'm just giving a basic example to kind of just define it. We have a lot of youngsters watching us. हम भी youngsters ही है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. हम कोई बड़े लोग नहीं हैं. But it's just that. So basically do things, wake up. Like I think choose the 5 things that you want to do. Akriti, what are the 5 things that you would like to do when you wake up in the first hour of the day? Other than tuning into Instagram, replying to people on WhatsApp.
Well, that's the first thing I do.
We all do that. We all do that.
I check out your story and then you say it's a beautiful day, as I always say. And then I smile and my day becomes beautiful.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Look, I think you're right. It's the sense of accomplishment कि हमने ये किया है, उससे हमें खुशी मिलती है. And basically खुशी होती क्या है? We are made up of chemicals. हमारे ब्रेन में जब डोपामिन और सेरोटोनिन नाम के 2 केमिकल आते हैं, तब हम खुद. अब ये अलग अलग चीजों पे डिपेंड हो सकता है कि किस चीज से हमें डोपामिन मिल रहा है. For some people they rely on drugs, some people rely on coffee, for some people it's exercise, for some people it's love, for some people it's recognition. So it can be anything. आपको बस ये डिसाइड करना है कि ये चीज है जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है. And I think it's important to find happiness in smaller things in life. क्योंकि बड़ी चीजें तो कभी कभी होती है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आउटसाइड इंसिडेंट पे बाहर जो स्टिमुलस है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं अपनी हैप्पीनेस को. जबकि ये कहा जाता है कि हैप्पीनेस इज बेसिकली अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. तो उनको आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? हाउ कैन दे फाइंड हैप्पीनेस इन देमसेल्फ रादर देन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आउटसाइड स्टिमुलस?
यार तो बात ये है ना कि we all have practiced the art of distraction, right? We wake up, we want to be distracted. We don't want to be involved. Like WhatsApp पे मतलब you go, you find many notifications. Tuck, 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 tuck. You just want to clear. You just want to get distracted from the idea of wanting to wake up. You sit in the loo, you are doing your thing, and you want to still, check out something. क्या चल रहा है भैया? You're cooking, you want to listen to music. We do that, so it's वो आदत बोलते हैं ना, anything you do for a longer period of time becomes a habit, right? तो वो आदत बना दी है हमने कि to get distracted from one thing to the other. एक चीज से दूसरे चीज में भागने का आदत हमने प्रैक्टिस किया है सालों से. Now it's time to slightly remodule. You'll have to look at giving undivided attention to things that you're doing. Like when is the last you ate food and you just enjoyed the aroma of the food or the taste and the texture of the food that you had? No. We were Netflixing and chilling. I do it myself. it's easier said than done. मैं खुद ऐसे मतलब बैठ के खाने को 40 बार मॉसल्स बाइट करके नहीं खाता हूँ. But I'm saying it's time that we started practicing those ideas, because why do relationships fail in today's times, right? Because we are unable to give undivided attention to our partners. That's the larger chunk of things. How, what, and all of that in every situation, right? Eventually you feel lack of passion in the relationship. You might want to opt out in a relationship. Blah 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 blah. But the whole idea is we are not able to give undivided attention to our partners or to things that we do in life. So the whole idea of me doing 5 things when I wake up and doing it is कि मुझे भैया करना है ये 5 चीजें अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन के साथ. मेरे को डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना है कि यार ये करते करते क्या मैं पानी देते देते इंस्टाग्राम नोटिफिकेशंस देख रहा हूँ. नहीं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इंस्टाग्राम नोटिफिकेशंस देखना कोई बुरी बात है. नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट दैट. But give it, when you're doing Instagram notifications, just do Instagram notifications. Don't get into like 100 other things. When you're supposed to reply to someone, don't open 5 tabs and like, okay. Just give undivided attention to everything that you're doing. So I think we must start from there. लोगों को लगता है सुबह उठ के 5 मिनट मेडिटेशन कर दिया तो बस अब हम योगा हो गया, zen हो गया, शांत हो गया. यार वो 5 मिनट के बाद जो बाकी के घंटों 16 घंटा 17 घंटा जो तुम जगे हुए हो, इफ यू आर गोना अगेन प्रैक्टिस द आर्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन, तो कैसे zen होगा जिंदगी में यार? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? लाइक ऑनेस्टली I might see what I'm saying is basically information that I have. Even I'm not able to practice all these things in real life. So I use every day as an opportunity to do that. So I've stayed in a Buddhist monastery for a month with the monks. तो मुझे लगता था कि ये monks लोग सुबह उठ के हमेशा यही करते हैं. सुबह से शाम तक they wake up और ओम मनी पद्मे हम, ओम मनी पद्मे हम. That's not what they do. They have stipulated time for their meditation, but then the rest of the day, everything that they do, अगर वो लोग झाड़ू भी मार रहे, they are giving undivided attention to doing that झाड़ू or to washing their clothes or to do anything. The problem क्या होता है, लोगों को ना खुद के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना बहुत मुश्किल वाला काम होता है. It gets very difficult for them to spend a little time with themselves. That's why they want to get distracted. That's why they want that music or that extra, all that 100 things that we want to get distracted with, a Netflix while eating and all of that. तुम 2 मिनट खुद से just बैठ के देखो, it gets very difficult because your mind just runs around. To train your mind to be able to focus on things is a very difficult thing. So maybe start from there.
It is a difficult thing to actually not be distracted because आजकल with the social media हर 2 सेकंड में नए नोटिफिकेशन आते हैं और आपका जो कंसंट्रेशन है वो सीरियसली कम हो गया है. एंड यू सेड समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि लोग खुद के साथ टाइम नहीं स्पेंड कर पाते. दे आर नॉट हैप्पी स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद देमसेल्फ. बट इन दैट सिचुएशन पीपल आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अदर पीपल टू लव स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद देम.
Yeah.
तो इट्स अ कैच 22 सिचुएशन. उसमें फिर हम कैसे
नहीं, as I said, हमने हमारा खुशी जो है वो external stimulants पे attach किया है. So you need another person to stay happy or see staying. As I said, happy is again a byproduct of things. You want to feel satisfied. You want to feel like हाँ यार मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ तो कुछ मजा आ रहा है. वो मजा तुम्हें खुशी दे रहा है. That's the whole idea. It's a byproduct. We are not able to see it that way. हमें लगता है कोई आ गया तो खुशी आ गई. The process of hanging with them, talking with them, sharing your ideas, and getting entertained or entertaining them, inspiring them, getting inspired, that gives you a certain sense of happiness. That it's a process. It's not a destination. कि मतलब मिल गया भैया खुशी. क्या चल रहा है? It's the conversation. It's the things that you share that makes you happy. I want to again quickly give a shout out to my friends who've joined in. All of you guys. Sahil Bajaj, Ethan, Kristen Fruitford. Do you know Sahil as well? Sahil is based out of Delhi. He's a fabulous MC. अब साहिल भी बन गए हैं पापा बेर. तो yes, Sahil also celebrated.
He's so cute.
क्या बात है. मैं चाचा हूँ. चाचू जान हूँ मैं.
आप चाचू जान बन गए.
Yes.
Wonderful. So, Clarence, you said something extremely interesting. You said that we people have to learn and inculcate the habit of having undivided concentration. अब ये undivided concentration आजकल लोग relationship में भी नहीं दे पा रहे हैं. So, firstly,
यार खुद को नहीं दे पा रहे.
तो are you dating someone?
1 2 का 4 आकृति
One to the
1 2
पहले तो
का
ये बताओ
4
कि तुम कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो?
नहीं यार मैं
Yes.
सिंगल हूँ are you asking me out on a date आकृति are you asking me out on
No,
a date
I am.
no
Are you
Shit.
asking out on the vada pav? Let me take vada
I'm
pav, then we'll go out. But I'm just asking because फिर मैं next question पे आऊंगी ना. बताओ तो.
अच्छा ऐसा है नहीं यार आई एम सिंगल आई एम रेडी टू मिंगल बट फॉर सम रीजन कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है यार आकृति
But it's not true. It's not. You are not alone in this. Actually, I feel I have so many friends, and most of them are. And the reason is the same what you just said, that people are not able to give their undivided attention. They expect the world. उनकी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी expectations है, लेकिन जब देने का time आता है that okay I need to do this, तब वो करते नहीं है, वो देते नहीं है. तो happiness क्या देने से बढ़ती है, या अगर मैं अपने पास ही
लेने से
happy
बढ़ता
रखना
है
चाहूँ, कोई खुश रखना चाहूँ, तो वैसे खुश रह पाऊंगी.
यार
That is something.
वो डिपेंड भी करता है सब लोग अलग अलग तरीके के लोग भी है राइट अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि देने से खुशी बढ़ती है जरूरी नहीं है सब लोग वैसे ही एक्सपीरियंस करें मेरे लिए देने से खुशी बढ़ती है कभी कभी लेने से भी बढ़ती है but keeping the jokes aside no but on a serious note यार as I said happy मैं बोला ना happiness is again a destination it's not a it's not a destination it's a process so देने से खुशी इसीलिए बढ़ती है because तुम्हारी आंखों में you feel more empowered you feel like a person who is worth enough that can give that can share अगर तुम उस फिल्टर या उस नजरिए से देखते हो चीजों को then you will feel happy about it intent का फर्क होता है यार आकृति हर चीज कुछ the same action done with a different intent a terrorist killing a civilian right or a soldier killing an enemy the act of killing or a judge putting a criminal to death or giving a death punishment the intent is different there is an act of death or act of killing that's happening across all three scenarios intent farak hai na judge is doing it so that he can bring about justice and peace a soldier is doing it so that he can do he can serve his country and save his protect his citizens terrorist is doing it because in his head he's doing it right for him he might be getting something
Yeah.
out of it but the intent is important and the effect of what you do the intent and impact are the two different things that define a person's karma तुम कुछ चीज क्या इंटेंट से कर रहे हो और वो इंटेंट से जो किया उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या हुआ है तो ये these two eyes are very important when you do anything in life so
Again,
yeah
this relates to the same thing which you said before, that the sense of accomplishment. You need to have your goals. Okay, this is what I need to do, and then when you achieve it, you feel happy. मैंने एक research में पढ़ा कि women tend to be more happier than men. What are your
Is
comments
it?
on it? Yeah.
I'm sure that's how it is I really feel I come from a home I was raised in a home where my mom was more alpha than my dad when I say alpha I feel it takes a bigger man to be able to give a woman a more important space in the house traditionally हम लोग एक patriarchal society रहे हैं it's always been a it has largely been a male dominated society in many ways but for a man to give if not equal but more opportunities for a woman to voice her opinion express her views I think in a society where that is possible I feel it will be way much more easier for everybody to coexist and be happy having said that I feel women are emotionally more stronger than men it's how we are designed I'm assuming I don't know if scientifically it's right or wrong but at least I have been born and brought up and raised in a family in a house where I've always experienced that. My mom was more emotionally stronger than my dad. My sister is more emotionally stronger than I am. I have seen that across a lot of my friends as well. My female friends are more emotionally stronger. They have more. So I think it's just how we are designed. So ho sakta hai, that's true. I'm sure.
I think
But
this is also
it's
because we women, we tend to talk our emotions. Whenever we feel something, we talk it out. We speak to other people. And whenever you let an outlet to your emotion, you give a channel to all the feelings that you're feeling, and that will also give you a sense of happiness. आप जब किसी से बात करते हो तो आपको लगता
अब
है ना
मुझे
कि आपके
समझ में
साथ
आया
में
why.
आपके दोस्त हैं.
अच्छा, इसके लिए now I know why all girls go together. एक को अगर लू जाना होता है, 3 जन साथ में जाते हैं. That's the secret. You
वो
girls
तो
talk
pictures
throughout
के
the.
लिए.
अच्छा, pictures के लिए जाते हैं. No, so I remember when I was in college. So we would all take loo breaks, right? So if one girl wanted to freshen up, there would be a couple of them that will go with them. But हमारे लड़कों में ऐसा नहीं होता है. तेरे को जाके आना है तो जाके आ जा. तेरे को फिर वापस मिलूंगा. So it's just.
लड़कों के पास ये 10 बैग्स नहीं होते ना उठाने के लिए. Girls are carrying their stores, their bags, their heels, plus big dresses. So how will you handle everything? तो friends चाहिए
Yeah,
साथ में.
Akriti, on that note, there are people who are saying that they want to ask questions. Please ask
Yeah,
questions.
Hania
We will
wants
try
to
to
ask
take as
questions.
much as question as possible. In the meanwhile, Akriti, हमें ये बताओ यार, for our viewers, how was your experience? How has your experience of being a model been? Just talking about the whole undivided attention part of it. I feel, I'm sure when you're on stage, when you're walking the ramp, all your worries in the world are kept aside. It's there. It's still in your brain. It's still in your mind. It's pretty much active, but that stage gives you an opportunity to channelize all of that aside and just focus undivided. You're walking. You're still worried कि यार मुझे change करना है after this walk. There are all those 100 things going on in your mind, but you're able to channelize that and just be undivided and walk on that ramp. So tell us a little about that. How was that whole experience?
Well, as you said कि जो भी हम करते हैं वो प्रैक्टिस से और अच्छा होता जाता है. So the same thing applies to modeling also. कहने को तो हम लोग सिर्फ वॉक करते हैं, बट उस वॉक के अंदर बहुत सारी टेक्निकलिटीज होती है. It's not easy when you are walking on a runway with thousands of eyes paying attention on each and everything that you are wearing. You are judged from top to bottom. मेरे नेल्स कैसे हैं, मेरा टी कैसा है, मेरे लिप्स पे लिपस्टिक कैसा लगा है, वहां से लेके मेरे आउटफिट का जो पीको हुआ है वो कैसा है. एवरीथिंग इज शोकेस्ड ऑन दैट बिग स्क्रीन. तो जब आप वॉक कर रहे हैं, पर्सनली मैं तो क्या करती हूँ, मैं इन सब चीजों के बारे में सोचती नहीं हूँ. I get into the zone wherein I'm enjoying myself, because जब तक मैं उस रनवे पे enjoy नहीं करूँगी तब तक देखने वाले लोगों को मजा नहीं आएगा. And my job as a model is to have a good time on the runway, plus at the same time showcase the outfit, the garment or the product that's given to me in the best way possible. तो जाओ मजे करके आ जाओ. Don't have to worry when you're performing. I think it's the same thing when you go on stage, when you're performing, you're an MC yourself. तो अगर आप 1000 चीजों की चिंता अपने दिमाग में रखोगे तो आप कभी भी बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाओगे. आप इन द मोमेंट नहीं रह पाओगे. और कभी भी आप देखिए जो बेस्ट ऑफ द आर्ट है, जो बेस्ट ऑफ द वर्क है, सिनेमा है या फिर राइटिंग है या कोई भी क्रिएटिव चीज है, वो तभी बनता है जब हम इन द मोमेंट में हैं. क्योंकि जब हम इन द मोमेंट में हैं, हम खुद से कनेक्टेड हैं, हम यूनिवर्स से कनेक्टेड हैं, तभी द हायर पावर चैनलाइज द एनर्जी थ्रू यू एंड यू see that on the creativity that you create.
So true. I completely agree with you. I think these are लोगों को ना ये सब fancy words लगते हैं. Channeling your energy, being one with the cosmos. But वही है यार, undivided attention का फंडा है. It's an art that you practice so well that now it naturally comes to you. The moment you're suddenly on stage, you have mic in front of your hand and you're facing the audience, or you're on the ramp, you're ready to walk. All of that is just put aside. It's like a button daba diya or whoop. It's a sudden change. So I think, as you said, it's about the more you practice, the better you get at it. And thanks for sharing the whole ramp experience and how things work there.
You are asking me questions on my live section when I was supposed to ask you. But
नहीं, हम लोग भी तो सुनना चाहते हैं यार. We also want to hear about your experience on India's Next Top Model. I remember getting a message from you one day, and you're like, "Hey, hi, Clint. I am going to be on this show, and I'm super excited," or something like that. Or was it the other way around? I was browsing through MTV, and I was like, "Yo, I know this girl." I think it was that, and I think I sent you a message saying, "Hey, Akriti, I saw you on India's Next Top Model," and
I don't know who sent the message first, but we did connect that time.
We did connect. Yes.
You were a
Yeah, Akriti.
you're always encouraging other people, And it definitely shows it's not just me, it's everyone around. Whoever knows you, you are the one person who's always encouraging them. कभी भी कोई भी चीज की जरूरत हो, प्रिंस के पास आ जाओ. He will have the answer. He'll help you, or he'll either connect you with someone who can help you. So I think
तो
that's why
वही मैं
you
बोला
are
ना
very
यार,
happy. People love you.
लेने से ही नहीं, देने से भी खुशी बढ़ती है. But keeping jokes aside, I just want to take a quick question. Aditya Singh Chauhan asked, what do you think of the idea of a government happiness minister who's responsible for the happiness of the population? I think, wow, what an amazing concept, yeah. Very few countries in the world, I think it's Bhutan as a country is the only country in the world which has a happiness index. Their growth is based on how happy the people are. They have something called as the happiness index, which basically calculates how happy people are. We have various other variables to see the development made in the country in terms of infrastructure. Dekhte hai hum, yeah, ease of access to, there are various variables on which happiness is or the growth of people or development of the people is based or judged on. And I think a happiness minister sounds like a good idea. धीरे धीरे हमें लोगों की खुशियों की तरफ, it's important that we look towards happiness as an important variable in the whole scheme of things as well.
Right.
Aditya
And
Singh
since
Chauhan.
United Nation, every year United Nation conducts a survey. It's called World Happiness Report. Now they go to all the countries in the world and they calculate the happiness index. Now in the last 5 years, India का जो happiness index है वो धीरे धीरे करके नीचे गिरता जा रहा है. In 2019 हमारा ranking था 140 out of 156 countries, which is a very poor performance. That means Indians are getting upset day by day. We are getting unhappy. What do you think is the major cause of unhappiness in our country? Apart from the
See,
fact of COVID and the problems that we are facing.
No, so
Generally,
मैं I strongly believe yeah, happiness is a personal choice. It's easy to put blame on others कि यार इसके वजह से मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. It's like as I said about the coffee example, right? अगर तुम्हें गर्म कॉफी पसंद है, वही चीज जब ठंडी हो जाती है, तुम कॉफी पे ब्लेम करते हो. ये क्या बकवास है, ये क्या ये है वो है. But you need to understand that any state of mind, not just happiness, any other emotions that you experience or you feel are primarily based on how you choose to respond to situations in life. It's not because of anyone else. किसी और को तुम अगर ताकत देते हो to make you feel irritable or to make you feel sad is when they can do that. पुरानी कहावत है ना ये कि let's say between friends, two people or just two other people on somebody on, let's forget about that. We are on Instagram live. Let's talk about trollers, right? I saw some chutiyas writing some faltu comments on this Insta live session, right? Now the point is, if you choose to respond to that in a very irritated manner, he or she, whoever that person behind that fake profile and writing bullshit is, they will feel very happy about the fact कि हाँ यार मैंने आकृति को या क्लिंस को offend कर दिया and I have achieved my goal. If you ignore that, don't give it any attention, it's just gone. It doesn't irritate you anymore. And सामने वाला जो तुम्हें irritate करने की कोशिश करा या करी जो भी है, he or she loses the game. So in a way, if you just look at it as a small competitive sort of a spirit, or if as a game wherein anything that you do is basically how you choose to respond to situations in life. When you start believing that, then it becomes easier. It's not because of anyone else or anything else why you are happy or unhappy or anything else. So if you are listening to us, your troll comments aren't going to make us any different. I'm talking to
give
you.
you any energy. Keep your energy to yourself. Hi,
So, I'm going to give you.
Thank you, darling.
Hi. Poet Manraj in the house. He's a homie as well. You simply the best. Thank you very much. So, yeah, I want to give you a quick, what is it called? A metaphorical story, okay? Think of your mind as a large go down, okay? And you are the watchman of the go down, or the carekeeper or the caretaker of the go down, and you have a torch in your hand. अब अंधेरा हो गया सारे गोडाउन में, पर गोडाउन में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. But when you put your torch on a specific thing, that particular place or the thing lights up, right? So it's the same like your mind as well. It's the mind has so many memories. Your past is basically your memory, your future is your imagination. ये सारी चीजें imagination और memory सारी चीजें तुम्हारे mind में है, right? But it's you who decides किस पर torch डालना है. What memory you want to put the light on? Is that memory making you feel happy, or is it making you, you're imagining certain things that's making you anxious? क्या है? So the choice is within you. You are the caretaker. You are the one with the torch. So you need to choose how you need to feel. The problem is people don't realize that we are the caretakers of our go down. That we are the ones with the torchlight. तो हमें हमारा torchlight को use करने को सीखना पड़ेगा. And as I said, practicing the art of concentration or undivided attention, doing things that makes you feel accomplished. These are the ways through which you will gain a larger control on being the caretaker or being the guy with the torch. So you need to realize that it's on you. It's not कि यार रास्ते पे खड्डे हैं तो मैं खुश नहीं. It's sad for being a state of for having such a state of affair. कि तुम टैक्स भर रहे हो, रास्ते पे खड्डा है, या various other things that the government is not taking care of. But don't let that determine your peace of mind. Remember that you are the one with the torchlight. So yeah, that's just a quick analogy.
One good example gave Clint this torchlight thing, because जिस भी चीज पे आप attention डालते हैं वही चीज धीरे धीरे बड़ी हो जाती है. And
it gets more brighter.
Basically, I want to talk about girls over here, because women, our brains are interconnected in a very complex manner. We have more complex brains than men. And क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा complex brain होता है एक लड़की का, तभी एक इमोशन बहुत सारे इमोशन से कनेक्टेड होता है, और अगर आप जरा सी भी नेगेटिविटी लेके आते हैं तो वो तिल का पहाड़ बन जाता है बहुत इजी. इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर अ वुमन टू गेट अपसेट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई देखा जाए तो मोस्ट ऑफ द डिप्रेशन केसेस आर आल्सो इन वुमेन. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप किस जगह लाइट डाल रहे हैं और कैसे उस सिनेरियो को देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज एक ही सिनेरियो को देखने का बहुत सारा अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है. आजकल एक नया टर्म आया है विच इज कॉल्ड क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस. मतलब 25 से 30 साल के जो लोग हैं वो अपनी जिंदगी में क्राइसिस फील करते हैं एंड दे आर बीइंग सैड. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे वीडियोस भी हैं, TEDx के भी वीडियो है वेयर यू स्पोक आल्सो. सो Clint, व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस? इज इट समथिंग दैट यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड?
यार मुझे लगता है कि ये ना एक बड़ा स्कैम है. ये क्वार्टर लाइफ ये सब when I mean scam है, I'm not denying the fact that people go through tough times or troubled times. It's just sorry, there is this comment that's hitting my eyes. Poet Manraj says, "Hey Clint, is she the one who is in India's Next Top Model?" Akriti, are you the one from India's Next Top Model?
Yes, I'm the one.
Yes. All right. Aman, my homie says, all right. Secret of happiness. Sorry, late to the party. Welcome to the party, Aman. All of you guys, full power, 24-hour. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to come back. The question was, you were talking about quarter life crisis, right? यार ये सब ना मेरे को लगता है ये मेडिकल वर्ल्ड या फार्मास्यूटिकल वर्ल्ड एक फैंसी नया टर्म डाल देता है. They make a very big बातों का बतंगड़ बनाते हैं लोग, and they make drugs as in like दवाई बनाते हैं so that they can push the sales of it. Yeah, as I said, quarter life crisis. Did you not have any crisis when you were in school? You definitely did have it. Tomorrow exams were crisis for you at that point in time. When you're in 25 to 30, you're worrying about what job you're going to have, what sort of lifestyle are you going to live, how much are you going to be able to save. See, there will always exist problems in life after. I truly believe that, and I don't think we should run away from problems. We all ask to God or the universal force or whatever you believe in, कि यार भगवान मुझे problems मत देना. I feel that's a wrong way of approach. You should ask God for more strength to deal with problems. Problems are not leaving us any day. Be it you're a teenager, quarter life, or the older you get. You remember that when we were kids, how easy was it for us to be happy? We would be very joyful. हम भागते फिरते रहते थे, and कुछ लग भी गया, थोड़ा तभी रो लिए, but then we are back to happy mood again. It took someone else to make us feel bad. Somebody had to come and pinch us or डांटना पड़ता था to make us feel bad. The by default mode of operations was a very happy mode.
Yeah.
But then we got older. What happened in this whole years? Yeah, and we say, and then life happened. I think the approach, I completely am against the idea of when we say and then life happened, because we are associating life with something that is very dreadful or that's not very encouraging or something like that. Life shouldn't happen. You should make life happen, right? When we say life happened, is basically you're giving the power to the external stimulants. Those strollers, those khadda wala rasta, yeah, the thanda coffee to make you feel bad, all those things, right? But you don't let life happen to you. You make your life. There is a difference there. So I think it's just about understanding these things, putting a constant practice. Or एक चीज है यार, Akriti, I'd given a small TEDx talk some time back, and one of the pointers that I discussed in what I call the 10 Commandments of Happiness, my 10 Commandments of Happiness was basically there is a difference between knowledge and understanding.
By the way, that was a beautiful video. I saw it.
Yay! So I always say that यार आसान होता है लोगों को आज के टाइम पे there is or what we call as pseudo intellectualism or whatever. People who read up a lot, watch a lot of videos, and they have a lot of knowledge. But when those knowledge is not practiced in life, it doesn't become an understanding. As a simple example, right? It's one thing to know that your friend or your parents need your support in some tough times. They need a hug from you. And it's another thing to understand that, oh, they need my support, so I'm going to give them my undivided attention, go and give them a hug, give a listening ear, talk it out with them. There is a vast difference between these two things, whereas it sounds the same. तुम्हें कोई चीज मालूम होना और वो चीज को करना, मतलब मालूम होकर you taking a decision to make a difference are two different things. So just coming back to the quarter life crisis, I feel crisis always exists. There are fancy terms in modern psychology or whatever these terms that we find, and then just the pharma industry makes use of it to come out with new drugs to sell it out. If you just be in the natural state of mind, we all are basically designed to be in a joyful state of mind. See, there's a difference between being happy and being joyful. I'll tell you what the difference is. Let's put it this way. Like somebody who has all sorts of things that gives them pleasure. Let's say a lot of resourceful person, a very rich person, has all the fancy life, everything that he or she desires. They have it, but not necessarily that they might be joyful, right? Because unka focus hai on things that they don't have yet. And then a joyful person is an example of a person who has broken his or her leg or has met with an accident, but is still joyful, is still making the most out of whatever he has or she has. That's the difference. So it's important that we work towards being in a joyful state of mind. अगर वो होगा ना, तुम्हारा हड्डी भी टूटा हुआ है या तुम्हारा और कोई पैसे नहीं है बैंक में, पर फिर भी you will focus on things that you have in life. That वो पुरानी कहावत है ना यार, I choose to see my glass half full than half empty. That's what I said. So the whole practice of knowledge and understanding is putting that knowledge into practice will make you feel stay in a joyful state of mind.
Right. Clint, you said something very nice. You said that it is a state of mind. Happiness is a state of mind. लेकिन अगर हम logically देखें, तो अगर आप 2 मिनट भी चुप होते हो, you always have a little voice in your head which is talking. And the kind of things that little voice tell you, even your worst enemy will not tell you. Sometimes that voice tell you such bad things about you. I mean, it puts you down. So basically, outside factors are not putting you down. You yourself underestimate yourself. आप खुद ही अपने दिमाग में stories बनाते रहते हो और वही stories को आप multiply करते रहते हो, and then खुद ही खुद के दुख का कारण. That's what I feel.
True. You know why that is happening? As we discussed, that's the reason we are scared of eating that food all by ourselves, just by enjoying. Because the moment we are not distracted, हमको खुद से रहना बहुत डर वाली बात है, because there is this voice in your head that keeps telling you ये है वो है ये है वो है. We haven't practiced to make peace with that voice in head, to be able to deal with that energy. That energy can be anything. हमने channelize करना शायद नहीं सीखा है in the course of life. That's why the older you get, the more responsibilities you have in life, you end up having the quarter life crisis, midlife crisis, depression, and so on and so forth, because you are not able to channelize that voice in your head. You've not practiced to do that at all. Every day you practice to put that, to suppress that voice in your head, and watch your Netflix, watch your Instagram, talk with friends, go out. The more, how much time do we spend in a day just by listening to that voice or playing, just responding to that voice or whatever? We don't do that.
Actually, sometimes it's not even one voice. There are multiple voices in
Multiple
your
voices.
head, all talking amongst themselves. So the beauty is when you get out of your own head and you see yourself from a different perspective, that's when you can actually analyze the situation and not believe on what the voices are telling you. Because these voices are your own manifestations, your worst ideas, your worst dreams, everything comes back to you because you don't have belief in yourself.
True that, and that's
why
so true. The source of all that voice or the noise, or however you call it, it can be a voice or a noise. Wow, it's just something that hit me right now. That source of the
Good
voice
stuff.
and the noise all comes from within. It's all the same go down. वो go down है वो सारा चीज. But you don't forget that you are a part of, you are a product in the go down. No, you are the caretaker of the go down, यार. वही फर्क है. You are neither the voice nor the noise. It's, you are, all of this is a part of you. It's like saying
Yeah.
the shark or the whale is not the ocean. The shark, the whale, the octopus, and the plants, and the water, and the salt in the water, and all those other things make up the ocean, right? The ocean is not just the shark or this thing. The problem is we sometimes just end up feeling that this is what I am, or this is what I'm not, or can this. We need to understand that all of it is us. All these thoughts originate from the same source of energy. It's just we lack an ability to deal with that energy, to channelize that energy, and that's what we need to
प्रॉब्लम
do.
तभी आती है जब हम खुद को उस किसी एक आवाज से आइडेंटिफाई करने लग जाते हैं. एंड क्लिंस, वी हैव वेरी लिटिल टाइम लेफ्ट. बस अभी बंद हो जाएगा इन एनी minute. The stream is gonna get over. Instagram only allows us to go live for an hour. So thank you so much
Yeah.
for being with us. You were wonderful. You taught me wonderful things today. I only have one request from the government or the people who are watching. If there's anybody who can put out any influence on the society, that हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है about education. हम स्कूल में जाते हैं, हम education के बारे में सीखते हैं, learn how to learn, but we never learn how to take care of our mind, which is the most important part of our life, which is the most important part of our existence. तो अगर हम बचपन से बच्चों को सिखाएं कि how you can train your mind by yoga, meditation, or anything else, then I think the future is going to be a beautiful place. And then the world will be
100%.
a beautiful day, as you always say.
Perfect. Aditya, just want to end this session by saying thanks, Akriti. Thanks for having me on board. It makes me feel good, and it's been a really long time since I've done an Instagram live session. Because there was a point when there was so much of Instagram live happening. I just wanted to take some time off that. Aditya asked, what is there to be happy in the world today? The fact that we're all alive, man. The fact that we just experienced the biggest Surya Grahan in the past decade, or like in the past couple of
73 years.
decades. 73 years, we got to experience that. Maybe, if you were not alive, you would have not got to experience that. We need to find joy in the simplest things in life, Aditya. So, वही है, बात वही है.
Yeah. Thank you, Clint, for being with me.
Thanks,
You're
Aditya.
wonderful. And it was a great session. Thank you for teaching us a lot about happiness.
No.
Take care.
I don't think I was able to teach you anything. I was just able to share whatever a little bit of knowledge and wisdom I had. If you really felt it was impactful, please try practicing it. Remember that you're the caretaker of your go down, and you're not a product in the go down. And the power is within all of us, and hence I always say full power, 24-hour. Use your superpower.
See, it's evident with our big smile, and I'm sure all the people who are watching us also have a big smile on this face, on their face.
I want to take a screenshot, Akriti. Wait.
Yay!
Yeah, perfect. You got it.
Got it? Yoo-hoo! Great session, Clint. I'll see you soon. Please stay safe and
Vada
always
pav
be
is
happy.
pending. Vada pav
मैं
is pending.
समोसा बनाऊंगी तुम्हारे लिए. I'll make samosas. ठीक है? Let's
Done.
catch up one of these days. Okay? Bye
Whenever
bye.
you're back from Jaipur.